experience?
Yeah, it was, I think it was quite vast and learned so many different tricks which can really help to make like very accurate predictions. And I think the most I liked is about the philosophy and the why certain planet in certain things and what each planet signify and how that energy actually changes when they go to different houses. So that like it connected the philosophy like the astrology as a concept with the astrology as a practical.
Wow, very good. Okay, next, Sanket.
So actually मैंने साहिल भैया से पहले भी कोर्स किया हुआ था द फंडामेंटल वॉल्स एंड यू नो वन थिंग आई कीप टेलिंग मैं तो टीचर के वजह से ही आता हूँ द प्राइमरी रीजन बीइंग कि देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ थ्योरी इन एस्ट्रोलॉजी जो कि आई फील मैं खुद भी पढ़ सकता हूँ बट आई कम हियर फॉर द सब्जेक्टिविटी भैया के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू के लिए बिकॉज ऑफ थ्री थिंग्स बिकॉज ही इज ऑल्सो कनेक्टेड टू द मटीरियल वर्ल्ड मतलब ही इज अ टीचर एंड ही टॉक्स टू अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल वो एक्सपीरियंस एस्ट्रोलॉजी में कैसे यूज करना विच एक बहुत यूनिक चीज है भैया की टीचिंग में दूसरी चीज ये है कि देर इज ऑल्सो एन एलिमेंट ऑफ स्पिरिचुअलिटी ठीक है सो भैया को एग्जैक्टली पता है कि मटेरियल चीजों के लिए क्या कंसिडर करना है स्पिरिचुअल ग्रोथ के लिए क्या कंसिडर करना है एंड नॉट ओनली द टीचिंग के बिहाइंड भी भैया जो अंडरलाइंग चीजें बताते हैं जैसे भैया ने उस दिन उपनयन के बारे में कहा था दैट इज वेरी ट्रू बिकॉज उपनयन मैंने जस्ट अभी जनवरी में किया था ना आई फेल्ट द डिफरेंस कि मेरे को नॉलेज ज्यादा समझ में आने लगा सो ऑल इन ऑल आई वुड से कि हाँ अनदर थिंग भैया की टीचिंग में ना सो बेसिकली आई एम एन इंजीनियर थोड़ा एनालिटिकल भी हूँ बट आई फील कि भैया लेफ्ट ब्रेन और राइट ब्रेन को ना बिल्कुल इक्वली बैलेंस करके पढ़ाते हैं आई कैन फील दैट ड्यूरिंग द सेशंस सो वेरी गुड एक्सपीरियंस यार वेरी इंडेटेड टू भैया
Sai.
Yes, for me, astrology was like why to study or not because as an engineer, I have some scientific ways also. Logical mind is working every time. So why to learn? Why to learn? But yes, every planet has its vibrations on us. So if we know it, then we can do remedies and avoid it. But if we don't know it, so what can we do? We can do nothing. So first of all, know and then do.
Okay. Anybody else? Deepika ji, you are there? Manish ji, okay.
Yeah. So this is my first time I'm learning astrology. I had seen Sahil ji Sattva talks, some sessions, and that is where I found the way he was teaching was like in a very easy manner, right? Easy to understand, practical. And see, astrology is there in our life so much. If you look at recently festivals where there Janmashtami, aaj hai ya kal hai, mool hai. So all these terms are like very daunting for laymen. Rohini nakshatra kya hai? Then even for marriages, we start doing matchmaking using something. So we are using astrology as a user, but the basic literacy we don't have. So I thought, let's have some literacy. Otherwise, we are like listening to these things every now and then, but cannot interpret much. And we are illiterate, right? Literally, we are like illiterate. So I think this helped a lot in very short 4 weekends, learned so much. And that is still the tip of an iceberg. And as I think Sanket also said, learning from somebody who is into meditation, who is into knowledge, it makes a huge difference, right? There are so many courses today, but I sometimes register for courses and then after half an hour I'm not able to sit. But that's the difference in the vibrations and the person who is teaching. So it's a very useful program. Thank you.
Sahil sir, it is two-way learning with you. Abhi, like we can participate, so that is more important. Otherwise, agar one-way learning hota hai, only teacher teaches and others only listen. So that is a difference with you.
Okay. So, or koi, maybe tonight in the Sattva talk, you can share experience, Ritika, Priyanka, or koi bhi hai. and we can have good lunch now and see you all again Vastu Shastra course. And tonight also do join. Mangal Dosha is actually a very, what you say, untouched subject. बहुत सारे लोगों को बहुत सारी चीजें नहीं पता है मंगल दोषा के बारे में, और पता भी है तो they don't apply it properly. So we will discuss that tonight 9 p.m. I'll sharing the link now itself in the group. See you all tonight. And this Sattva Talk session you can share it with anybody. All लोगों को भी share सकते हो. The poster you can put in the WhatsApp stories so that it can reach out to more people. Okay. See you all tonight.
Is
Thank
there
you.
any advanced courses for astrology you take?
Yeah, we are planning. एक बार ये वास्तु वाला हो जाए उसके बाद we can have more advanced level. This we will continue. Don't worry.
Okay, thank you.
Yes.
Jai Guru.